In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monarch Money app to efficiently manage your finances. First, you'll want to begin by signing up and connecting your financial accounts. This begins with downloading the Monarch Money app on your device, whether you're using iOS or Android, or you can simply visit monarch.com on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll need to create an account using your email. This is straightforward and only takes a few moments. After registering, the next step is to connect your bank, credit card, loan, and investment accounts. Monarch Money leverages secure data providers like Plaid and MX, ensuring your data is transferred securely. This allows the app to import your financial data so you can manage it all from one place. With your accounts linked, it's time to dive into setting up your budget, a crucial step in controlling your finances. To set up your budget, navigate to the Plan tab and take a moment to explore the different budgeting categories available. Examples include housing, food, and entertainment. By choosing the categories that best fit your lifestyle, you can allocate specific amounts to each based on your income and financial goals. If you want to manage your finances with even more flexibility, you can enable flex budgeting. This feature allows unspent funds to roll over to the next budgeting period. Complementing the budgeting tools is the ability to track your spending and transactions. Head over to the Transactions tab to review imported transactions for accuracy. You can edit or categorize these transactions as needed, ensuring your financial records reflect reality. For those times when you make a joint purchase, say buying groceries and clothing at once, you can split transactions accordingly. Now let's move on to setting financial goals. It's simple to do. Go to the Goals tab. Here you can create various goals like building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or planning for debt payoff. Once your goals are set, assign funds to each and track your progress over time. Monitoring your net worth and analyzing reports is another essential aspect of using Monarch Money. Check out the Dashboard tab, where you can view your current net worth, cash flow, and investment performance. The Reports tab offers detailed insights, providing a comprehensive look at your financial health. Sharing financial responsibilities with family members is also easier with Monarch Money. Go to Settings and find the Household section. Here you can invite family members or partners to collaborate, sharing financial information. Assign roles and manage your household budget together, turning financial management into a team effort. Lastly, it's important to review and adjust your plans regularly. You should be reconciling transactions and adjusting your budgets weekly. Daily checks on your dashboard ensure you're staying on track. And monthly reviews of your goals and net worth help you stay aligned with your long-term objectives. Monarch Money makes management of your finances intuitive and collaborative, providing a structured approach to achieving financial well-being. Stay consistent with these steps, and you'll have a clear path to managing your financial future effectively.